Hi everyone. On previous video we went through differentiation using chain rule and we call it chain rule 1. Today we will carry on chain rule with more examples. So if y is the function of x, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx multiplies by dy by du. That's the definition of chain rule. So the first example that we're going to be looking today is trigonometry function. So if y is equal sine 4x to the power 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So the first step is to assume, we're going to call it use equal inside the bracket. So whatever we have inside the bracket, we're going to write it down here. So it would be 4x to the power 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So if that's a u, then y should be equal to sine u. Now we're going to differentiate u. We call it du over dx. Okay, so the rule of differentiation is we're going to multiply 5 by 4. We will have 20 and we will subtract 1 from the power. 5 minus 1, we will have 4. The same thing here. 2 times the 3 is 6. X to the power 1. When the power is 1, usually we don't write it. The same thing here. There's a 1 here. 1 times 2, minus 2, and x's will cancel. And the constant number plus 4 will end up become 0. Usually we don't write it down. Okay, now we will differentiate y over du. Now if we check the table of differentiation, the sign will become cosine u from the table of differentiation. Now we're going to apply chain rule, which is dy over dx equal du over dx multiplies dy over du. Okay, so this will be du over dx is, that's the value of it, which is 20 x to the power 4 plus 6x minus 2 times dy by du is cosine u. And the final step is to replace u. Okay, x4 6x minus 2 cosine. So instead of u, we're gonna rewrite down this number here, or this value. So it will be 4x5 plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. That's how we differentiate this function using chain rule. You see, hopefully the same answer here. Okay. Now the second example that we're going to be looking at is logarithm function. So if we have y equal log base e 4x, again we're going to assume u is whatever inside the bracket is 4x. So if that's a u, then y should be equal log base e u. We're going to differentiate u over dx. Again, there's 1 here. 1 times 4, it will give us 4, and the x will cancel. And if we differentiate y over du, the answer is 1 over u from the table of differentiation. We're going to apply chain rule. Okay, du over dx times dy over du. So du over dx is 4 times dy over du is 1 over 4. So that's 1 over u. Okay, so you will end up having 4 over u. Okay, so dy over dx is equal 4 over u, and we have to bring the value of u, which is this one. Okay, so it will be 4 over 4x, and the final answer will be divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 1, we will end up having 1 over x. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.